Most D2C brands wasted their money on ads. Beardo didn't, and that is how it won. When Beardo entered the men's grooming segment, most
That's the
brands were
dream,
shouting,
honestly.
they were running ads,
I
they
think
were
we
burning
finally nailed
budgets,
it.
but Beardo did the opposite. So Beardo didn't try to convince men to buy products. Rather, it started, telling men that grooming was important, that how grooming also was important for men. And you know how Beardo did this? It did it through the creators, Instagram creators, through users, through UGC content, and not through, celebrities reading the scripts about the brand. So the strategy that Beardo used made sure that people, heard from relatable voices as if they are learning from a friend that grooming is important for men also. And this led to the change of behavior. This really led to consumer behavior go towards a shift. And with this strategy, the change in behavior happened. And when then change in behavior happened, grooming felt normal, grooming felt natural, and selling became easier. So, what do you learn from this about building a brand? That stop throwing money at the ads. Rather, start building conversations for a brand. Start building, belief for a brand. Because, attention is always, trust is owned through conversations, through regularly talking about a brand. And if you still have queries, DM me now and save this reel for later for sure.